If you leave parts of your Google page blank, Google's AI will guess the details for you. It usually guesses wrong. Google recently put out a new feature called Know Before You Go. It uses AI to write a short summary of your business by stealing random info from around the web. If you have not listed your services, the AI might guess what you do based on a single bad customer review. This makes your worst feedback the first thing people see, or it might make up services you do not even offer. Meanwhile, businesses that fill out every detail are stealing your local walk-in customers. This is happening because of another new tool called Ask Maps. Customers do not just type short words anymore. They type long questions like, "Where can I find a cozy spot with outdoor seating and gluten-free food?" To win those customers, you must give the AI the exact facts it wants. You do this by checking every single detail box on your page. This gives the AI what it needs to recommend you first. Giving the AI these hard facts forces Google to use your truth instead of its own wild guesses. This turns your page from a boring online phone book into the exact map result Google trusts to send new, paying buyers straight to your door. Look at how local search works today. On the left, old searches use simple words like Italian restaurant. On the right, the new map search reads highly specific phrases like cozy spot with outdoor seats. To make sure your business shows up, log into your Google business page and click Edit Profile. Manually check the boxes for specific details under Services, Perks, and Access. Do not skip items like outdoor seating. Every checked box gives Google a hard fact. When a customer asks Google for help, the AI looks for these exact checked boxes to give them an answer. Filling out 100% of these small details is how you catch these high-paying customers who are ready to buy right now. If you leave your description or menu blank, Google's AI will try to write them for you. It steals random text from old phone books online. This makes the AI make up flat-out lies about your business. Inside your dashboard, look at the text Google guessed for you. You will likely find vague words, old services, or wrong info. Compare a blurry guess to a sharp list of facts. Say no to Google's guesses. Erase them and type a clear, bulleted list of your true facts. Next, upload your current menus and your full list of products. By showing your exact inventory, you stop the AI from making bad guesses about what you sell. By locking down your page with facts, you run the show and stop the AI from driving your customers away with wrong info. The way reviews impact your business has also changed. Google used to just count your 5-star stars. Now, the AI reads every single word your customers write. Google looks for matching words like fast service and groups them into a big summary at the top of your page. To win this system, customers must name the exact service they bought and the staff member who helped them. Instead of asking, "Can you leave us a review?" ask your customers, "Can you mention how Sarah fixed your brakes today?" This gets customers to write the exact words the AI wants. Training your customers to write detailed reviews gives the AI the talking points it needs to sell your business to the next searcher. Checking your page, updating menus, and chasing down reviews every week is an exhausting chore. To keep your data fresh without burning out, you need a system. Bright Local is an easy software tool that does all this boring typing and review chasing for you. Bright Local shows you a simple map grid of exactly where you rank against your rivals across town. To get you seen, it sends automatic texts and emails to your recent customers to ask for reviews. This builds the detailed words that Google needs to put you at the top. Automating these tasks removes the hard work of tracking maps and chasing clients. It creates a steady flow of fresh facts that keeps your business visible. By checking your detail boxes, protecting your story, and getting rich reviews, you make sure your business is shown by facts, not computer guesses. Look at the difference. A blank, risky page on the left versus a detail-rich page on the right that wins top spots and controls what Google tells your buyers. Google is moving fast. It will soon hide businesses with blank or confusing pages. Taking control of your data is your only shield against becoming invisible online. Click the link below to start your Bright Local free trial and put your local marketing on autopilot today.